Broskies! Ow. Hi. This is my voice. My voice. So, I'm getting a donut. And that's like... I don't even know. Stop. Just stop. I've never actually put... Stop. Where is that sound coming from? Okay, so I should just go on and say what the heck we are doing. We are, oh my god! We are playing 3008, but I shouldn't really call it 3008. It's 4211. So yes. Yes. Okay, that is what we are playing. So, usually I don't talk during these. This is a new thing. Very new. Let's just go on and head over to my private server. Oh god, I gotta log into my other account because this is not my account. Well, I mean, it is my account, but it's definitely not my main account. Yeah. Wait, I said 4211. Okay, no, it's 4122. Okay. Makes more sense. Now, just gonna not share my password with the internet. Why? Now you all see how much apps I have. Oh wait, look, it's Ditto. I have a lot of apps. I still don't look at it. What is with Roblox and its stupid freaking mobile glitches? Well, I guess I'm gonna log into my account. Definitely an auto camera. Okay. Well, I did that. Now, if I still have my private server, which I do not think I do, I literally... What? No! What am I supposed to do now? I can't summon the cat! I hate this. Why? Literally, I cannot summon the king. I hate this game. No, I love this game. I take it back. I love this game. Sorry, just had my occasionally turn into a zombie moment. It's day -7. Oh god. There's like nobody. Why are the servers so free? Oh wait, okay. No, never mind. I forgot. Oh god, okay. Oh, one thing I need to mention though is look. This is April the 1st. Also known as April 1st. Wait, no. No, stop, actually. Also known as April Fool. So yeah, I cannot wait to play some pranks with everybody. And yeah, and now I am Stop! I freaking hate you. Go. No. What? Where is the king? Is he even in this game mode? I haven't even freaking tried this out yet. I just freaking woke up. Literally freaking 4 in the morning. I think it's in the morning. Is it in the morning? Wait. No, I think, no. Yeah, it is. Why did I saw plenty of weird glitches, especially the one wherever Hubert, goes to jump over like one of these things and he freaking, it goes flying in midair. So yeah, and that's good. Okay. Also, there's food. Food. Give me. Give. I think we're gonna start making videos with my voice a lot more. A lot. Because it's very much less stressing. Like, less stressing because whenever I'm Why? Whenever I'm playing with the stupid thing, I don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah. Stop. What is with me? Jeez. Now I climb that. I jump over that. I think I should build a base. Not positive on that one, but I'm pretty positive that building a base is just what I need. I should have gotten more food, maybe. Never mind, my inventory is full. Oh my god, it's Hubert! Broski! Please don't send me 5,000 feet in the air again. How do I get... Okay, there. So, now I'm riding Hubert. Okay. What should I type in the chat? Let's try this. Okay, that works. And Hubert. Stop. 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 What do you do whenever it turns nighttime? I haven't, like, played around with you a lot. I know that you're here, and you've been here, like, every single April 1st. But what do you do? All I know is you say, the store is now closed. Please exit the building in a very creepy voice, may I add. Why would you do that? What is wrong with you? Firstly, I'm gonna break your arm, even more broken than it already freaking is. Follow me. Actually, no, I'm not. You're not really following me. I'm basically following you. I don't even have a clue if you guys can hear what I'm saying, because the music is so freaking loud. Let me just... What in the actual... What? What? Never mind. I won't be turning off the music anytime soon. What? Hubert? I'm just waiting for it to turn night. Wait. I gotta do something really fast. Let me just show everybody my conversations. Just gonna do that really fast. And now I'm going to not draw. Oh my god. Okay, so. OMG! Alex. There is something. No, stop. I spelled that wrong. There is something in my bathroom. You must come and kill it. No, wait, stop. Kill it. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Pretty believable. Now I'm gonna send just this. I'm gonna send some of the... Stop! I'm gonna send some of this. Never mind, Roblox does not want me to send this for some odd reason. Okay, there. I'm surprised that doesn't freaking do whatever it usually does. I forgot. What is this? What is this? I don't know what that is, but okay. This text box can't support stickers. Right, nah. Start supporting stickers, please. What is this? What is this? Who made this? Stop. Not funny. Not funny. Okay. What? Okay. So now I'm done messaging Lee stuff. Messages, I don't know. Why is this group chat named Mom? Oh, this is whenever I had a heart attack because Lee and whoever else is here didn't answer me. I hope that she's watching this video right now. She knows how sad sad I am because she didn't freaking answer my message thing. I'm in the game already, says Lee. Well, I mean, all that I really have to say is it's April the 1st. Make sure to troll your friends.